Hey, this is Mrs. Allen. I'm gonna walk you through how to get into the Foundations digital platform today. This is a personal finance online curriculum that we're going to be using a lot throughout the year. It's got some good videos and some really good principles to work from. So to get in there, you're going to go to classwork, go to today's work, the cost of living, and you are going to click on Foundations Digital. So since you have never been here before, you're going to go to Don't Have an Account, Students, Create an Account, and it logged me right in. But what you're going to need to do is use the class code, which is in here. The class code is C5864F, and you can find that right here in the description. Once you're in, it's going to take you to our classroom. And what you're going to do today is the pretest. So click in there, click view. You can see that there's all the different units in here. We won't be going through all of them. We'll be doing some of them, but not all. If you click view, you can get right into this pretest. You don't need to worry about if your answers are right or wrong here. Just do your best, and I'll be able to see your score, but you won't. It's just kind of to see where you're starting from. Tomorrow, you're going to be going into the first chapter, which is the Introduction to Personal Finance. And a lot of what we'll do in here is watching some videos that have been made. So we'll start with the key components of financial planning. I'm not going to play that for you right now, but you'll have some questions to answer in a Google Doc as you watch it. I guess that's it for this video. So let me know if you need anything. Please do, if you have to create a username and password, please write those down somewhere, because I'm not going to have access to those, I don't think. You'll want to keep that somewhere. You might be able to log in with Google, but just to be sure. And if you can save that password into your personal computer, that's a good thing to do too. All right, see you out there.